Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great and I hope you had a nice and good weekend. This is Umar with you and let us see what is happening in terms of Nifty, Banknifty and Nifty or whatsoever indices, particularly indices. We are an option seller, so we don't trade in stocks or we don't trade in stock options, right? We mostly sell, not trade. We mostly sell stock options. So we'll see what happens in terms of all these indices. And if you are following us, I have told in our previous video also, the likelihood of market going down on that the likelihood of market going down is very remote. That's what is happening, right? So we have seen 2 or 3 days of bounce in and all three indices, which is Nifty, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, right? Yesterday also we saw a bounce. Today also we saw today's low was around 42,390, and the good thing is that from 42,300 from a low of around 42,390 we were able to close above Bank Nifty. I'm talking about Bank Nifty was able to close above 43,000, so that's a really positive news, and we believe that the market will go on the higher side. Till how much? Maybe we will go till 43,500. I'm talking about Bank Nifty. We will talk about Nifty and other indices later part of this video, but I can tell you maybe we are seeing some kind of bottom. We have been falling from how much? Around 46,500 levels. In terms of Bank Nifty, we are falling from 46,300 levels to around 43,000. So that's a fall of around 3,500 points from September series. We are sitting in November series, so there is a possibility we have a little retracement. Now, where will be the retracement? Now you have to understand, since this previous resistance of around 43,600 is broken, we might see a market Bank Nifty going till 43,600 or let's say 43,700. 43,700 is a very strong resistance. Now at the same time, now you can understand that 42,500 is also a very strong support. Let me draw a line here. Now you can understand that this level, right, this level has acted as a good support, right? So you can see lots of price action in this zone. Let me zoom out and you can see there is a rejection here. It was acting as a resistance, then there was a big drop here. It was acting as a support, and this was as a support. So we are retracing till where we might go. That is the main question here. Let me draw one more line so that you can understand. Now, if you see this line, right, this is market works on cyclical, and I truly believe that I give importance to, I don't know about others, but I give importance to support and resistance. Now this area, if you see this area, you can see that there is lots of price action going around this area, right? So let me draw a circle here. This area, if you see, it has acted as a super resistance. Then this area, right, this area, if you see, it has acted, lots of congestion has happened in this area, which means there was lots of up and down, going up and down, like for 15 or 20 days Bank Nifty was moving around this circle. And this area, if you see, around late July, this area was acting as a good support, and again in early October, this area was acting as a support, and finally last week Bank Nifty bears were able to cross below 44,000 level. So 44,000 is a very super strong resistance in case Bank Nifty, which is going to happen. If you see US future, all US futures are going in the green, trading in the green. US market is trading in the green, and Europe is also trading in the green. So there is a possibility of market going on the higher side. So 43,000. Let's say we are gapping up tomorrow. Maybe Bank Nifty will gap up below or on 43,500. Even if it is gapping up, maybe let's say it is gapping up at around 43,500. From there it will continue. It will try to break 44,000. But 44,000 is a very strong resistance which you have to keep in mind, right? Apart from that, Nifty, we'll talk about Nifty. And if you see Midcap Nifty, before going into Midcap Nifty, Nifty, we'll talk about Midcap Nifty. Today we traded Midcap Nifty, and you should also would have traded Midcap Nifty. Look at the volatility, right? One chart around 50 points, first 15 or 20 or half an hour, it was keep on falling. We shorted the market. Okay, then what happened? It was going up. Then our C was in deep trouble. Then we kind of thought, okay, market is starting to stabilize. At the last minute, it started to make two-way, three-way move. Let me show you here. This candle alone, this three green candle alone hurted us very much, so much. We had that if you are trading expiry day trades, it is going to be very hard to manage because you don't get premiums. You are trading at the money, you just go out of the money, whether on the PE side or in the CE side, you are not going to get premiums. That is what we happened today, and we kind of closed in the red, and we had a loss of around 8,973. So that's okay, that's not a problem, right? Because if you are not making losses in losses, then you are not a good trader, right? So we'll see the Nifty chart, and let me go to the daily time frame, and we are also seeing a very super rejection at a very good support level. Now if you see here, this is a very good support. Now as I told you, I give importance to support and resistance, and you can observe here that it was acting as a this level. Which level? Around day before yesterday's low. Day before yesterday's low of 18,800 levels. 18,800 to 18,900 was acting as a good resistance in the early December series before 1 year. Then it came all the way down. Then you can see here this area in the early July or late May, we were seeing rejection, right? We were seeing rejection. It was acting as a super resistance. So from December 2022 to June 2023, Nifty was moving from around 19,000, 18,000 levels to around 16,000 to around 19,000 level. Then there was a firm breakout. Then market went on the higher side. Then we are again seeing the same resistance which we saw in December and which we saw in early June is now acting as a support. Earlier it was a resistance, and now it is acting as a support. Now where it might go, that is the main question here, right? The $1 million question is that where it may go. You have to observe this level, right? Let me draw a line here so that you understand what I am trying to say. This level around 19,300 is going to be a very strong resistance for the markets to take, and hopefully tomorrow we are going to gap up and we might touch 19,300, and 19,300 there will be a rejection, mark my words. And if you are not seeing rejection around 19,300 levels tomorrow, you can ask me, right? So that is how the markets are working. So we'll see how things pan out. As of now, we need not worry, and this Israel Hamas issue and all will be forgotten. We are thinking about Israel Hamas issue? This Russia Ukraine issue itself is forgotten, and this also they will forget. Maybe down the line, maybe another 3 or 4 months, they will forget everything, right? So this is how the markets are. I'm sure you are trading good enough, and October series was October series was kind of volatile. I wouldn't say it is not volatile. All three indices, whether it is Nifty, Banknifty or Nifty or any other indices, it is very hard to trade. It was very hard to trade. Positional traders were finding it very hard to trade this month. So nothing to worry about. We will revert, and markets won't stay in same line. It is going to revert, and it is going to stay calm. So we will wait for the markets to stay calm. For now, still you can short call option, and there is a strong disclaimer. You will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility, right? You can sell some call option about 20,000 or 19,500 or 19,800, about 20,000 you can sell. call option, and India VIX has also dropped drastically. We don't talk about FIE data because that is a lagging data. And if you see the US futures are all in the green. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, France, German, London, everything is in the green. Contrary to what happened last week, right? So last week and all, everything was in the bloodbath, and now everything is in the green. Now you have to understand one more thing. When you compare our market with the global market, we are performing well above what is happening in the US market or Asia Pacific or European market. You know, Dow Jones has been at its lowest point for last 6 months or 3 months, but we have been still firmly in the green, or we have not slipped, or we have not corrected to what European markets or Asian markets have corrected. So we'll see how things pan out. Still, we are not out of the woods. Don't think we are still in the bear's grip. Maybe one day of rally might not change everything. I wouldn't say don't try to go long in the market. Be cautious, and we'll see how things pan out. As of now, we are holding some short position. We'll see how things pan out. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.